Hello children, how are you all? Today we will play one game because this is your vacation and definitely you want to play some games with the teachers, with the parents. So today I bring one game for you all. Okay, can you guess any name for the game? Today I bring Sudoku game for you all and you will play right now with me with pen and paper. So first of all arrange one pen and paper and just sit and write the names which I will show you here. Okay. So then after you can take your things, for example toys, biscuits, chocolates as you like. Okay. But first let me tell you about this game. So this game's name is Sudoku and I took vegetables for that. Okay, so today I took 6 vegetables to play Sudoku. You can take as per your requirement, as per your arrangement. Okay, and Sudoku can improve your memory power, your brain strategy, then your concentration, then everything you can increase. Okay, if you play Sudoku with numbers or alphabet letters, then it will also, okay, you can take 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers, you can take A B C D E F letters also, you can play Sudoku by numbers and alphabet letters also. So first let me tell you 2 rules to play this game. So see this my chart. I made this vegetable Sudoku on my chart. And you can see how many vegetables I took. I took potato, onion, lemon, ladyfinger, chili and tomato. Here you can see I took more 5 vegetables here of these types. Okay. So we can play. We can take 6 requirement vegetables with you. Okay. You can take 6 fruits also to play like mango or banana, chiku, cherry, strawberry, whatever you like. You can take fruits also. Okay. So see this. First of all, first rule is this. This is called column. Okay, and this is called row. So I made 6 columns and 6 rows. Okay, first of all you have to remember in one column there should not be repeated the same vegetable again. For example, again you can't put tomato in the same column or in the same row. You can't put the same vegetable, you can't repeat this vegetable again in same column. And second rule is you can't put in same row. Okay, so let's play Sudoku with you all. You can mention this vegetable name. Okay, and then you can play with me. Okay children. Now whenever you will play with vegetables or with toys, sweets or any other things, chocolates or whatever you will take, you should take pictures or videos by your parents. Okay, and send me soon so I can see that you also play like me, because I am playing for you. So you should send me some pictures or videos how you are playing this Sudoku with me. Okay, so let's start. In this column you can see there is one tomato. So we can put one vegetable. For example, here I am putting one potato. Here one ladyfinger. Here one lemon. Here one onion. And here one chili. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 types of vegetables, 6 kinds of vegetables I arrange in one column. But what about row? Now you can't repeat this potato in this row, this lemon in this row, this ladyfinger in this row, this chili in this row, this tomato in this row and this onion is this row. So you can't repeat this vegetables here again. Okay. Now let's put some more vegetable here. Now here only chili is available. So we have tomato, ladyfinger, lemon, potato. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and see 5 is here. Okay. Total 6 vegetables. So you should arrange in your hand first of all. Here you put chili. So now you know here we have to put remain vegetables. So first of all here you can see this line 3 vegetables are available here. So only 1, 2 and 3 vegetables you require. So which vegetable you have to arrange here? Only 1, 2 and these 3. Okay. So here I can't put chili because already chili is available here. So let me put here chili. Okay. Here I can't put, yes, here I can't put tomato. Otherwise I can put potato. So let me put potato here and tomato here. You can see all the 6 vegetables in one row. So our 1 and 2 row already arranged. Now the new thing, new column. Here chili, lemon and potato is potato are available. So only remain ladyfinger, onion and tomato. Okay. So let me put here onion. No, I can't put here onion because onion is already available here. So let me put onion here. Now 2 vegetables remain. So 1 I have to put here and 1 I have to put here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vegetables I arrange in this row. Now let's start this row because here 2 vegetables available, ladyfinger and chili. So let me take tomato, potato, ladyfinger and onion. These 4 are remain. So first of all let me put here ladyfinger. No, I can't put ladyfinger here. Why? Because ladyfinger is already available here. So I have to take lemon. Here I can put onion, potato or tomato. But first of all let me check here. Here there is no potato, there is no tomato. So here I can't put potato or tomato because already potato and tomatoes are available here. So I can't put this both. So I can put here onion. Here I have remained these 2 vegetables, potato and tomato. So let me put potato here because there is no potato, and here tomato because in this column also tomato is not available. Now first row, second row and last row are remain. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 vegetables are already arranged. Now we have to remain only 3 rows. First of all, I will take this first column. Here only onion is available. So I have to take lemon, ladyfinger, chili, tomato and potato, all 5 vegetables. So first of all I have to check in this column which are already available. So that vegetable I can't put here. Here potato, chili and tomato are available. So I have to put here only ladyfinger or lemon. Okay, only these 2 I can put. So let me put here lemon. Now in this row ladyfinger, tomato and chili. So I can put potato and I can put potato and chili. Okay, so I will put here chili. here we have 3 columns remain. So let me put here, I can see here 3 vegetables. So I have to put here tomato. Okay. Then I will see here which vegetables I can put. This or this. No, I can put here only potato because already brinjal is, ladyfinger is here. So now in this column if I will see, so I can put here ladyfinger. Now let me see which vegetables I put here, these are correct or not, because when we will complete this both row, we will understand that this row is completed or it is wrong. So let me clear this both row. Now first of all I will see this. Okay, in this lemon, tomato, chili and potato. So now what are remain? Onion and lady finger. Okay, here I am putting 2. Here which are remain? Potato and lemon. Here which are remain? Onion and lady finger. Okay, and here which are remain? Chili and tomato. In this column it's remain lemon and chili. Now we have to bifurcate this two vegetables, one here and one here according to the row. Okay, here we can put here ladyfinger and here onion. Now in this row we can put here potato and lemon. So it make completely 6 vegetable. Okay. Now here we can put one lemon here and chili here. Here also the same way I can put chili here because there is no chili, and tomato here because tomato is not available in this row. Here I am putting onion, and in this row ladyfinger is not available, so I am putting ladyfinger here. So you can see 6 vegetables in each row. Here onion, tomato, chili, ladyfinger, lemon and potato. Here you can see all the vegetables are not repeating in the same column, in the same row. In this way, vegetables will not repeat again in the next box. You can see it carefully. Here you can use different kinds of chocolates, different kinds of biscuits or different kinds of fruits also. As per you require, as per you like, whatever you can put here, you can put the toys also, and then you can make here Sudoku. Children, is it interested or not? Is it really? It is very interested. Whenever you will play, you can increase your memory power, your entertainment, and you feel relaxed when you will play this game. You can write the numbers also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Instead of that, you can write alphabet later also. Whatever you want to put, you can put here and you can play this Sudoku game. Is it special or not? You get fun or not? Yes, I am sure that you are getting fun and you are become happy. So whenever you will play like this way, whatever you want to take, no need to take vegetables only. You can take by your choice. Okay. Take pictures and send me. Otherwise take video also. Tell to your parents to take out your pictures and video, and definitely you will send me, so I will be more happy. So play like this way. You have to arrange like this way. No repetition should be necessary. In rows and column, it will be not repeat the same things. Keep in your mind and then play, because it is memory game. So you can improve your memory power. Okay, all the best. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Jai Hind. Goodbye.